Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, purple color, red color, grey color, pink color, light green color, brown color, black color, yellow color, dark green color, orange color, blue color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Black marker. Let's draw outline the shapes. Triangle, heart, rectangle, circle, diamond, square, triangle, heart, rectangle, circle, diamond, square. Sky blue color. Brown color. Brown color, heart. Orange color. Orange color, rectangle. Light green color. Light green color, circle. Red color. Red color, diamond. Pink color. Pink color, square. Pink color, square. Sky blue color, triangle, brown color, heart, orange color, rectangle, light green color, circle, red color, diamond, pink color, square. Bye bye, see you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's learn ABC. Sky blue color. Sky blue color, A. A for apple. Red color, B. Light green color, C. Orange color, D. Purple color, E. Grey color, F. Brown color, G. Blue color, H. Yellow color, I. Dark green color, J. Black color, K. Light green color, L. Red color, M. Sky blue color, N. Blue color, O. Orange color, P. Dark green color, Q. Sky blue color, R. Yellow color, S. Purple color, T. Dark green color, Q. Orange color, V. Light green color, W. red color X, orange color Y, sky blue color Z. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Purple color 1, blue color 2, red color 3, sky blue color 4, dark green color 5, light green color 6, red color 7, orange color 8, brown color 9, pink color 10, yellow color 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Bye bye. See you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.